Guys, welcome back to another video dedicated gaming. I'm Dhanush and now I'm going to play Brawl Stars where we are going to nothing but Colt gameplay. So Colt I have his gadget. So let's start. Eagerly waiting for my Brawl Pass because I completed all my tiers and I'm waiting for new Brawl Pass to unlock it. I hate Nani, guys. I have all epics except Nani. I recently got a BB. And Colt's gadget is ammo reloader, which reloads two ammos instantly, which I think is a good one, but not the best. But while opening the boxes, when you spot any enemies and you have to break them, then it's the best gadget you have to use. So it's following a surge. I'm hitting the surge. Oh no! Oh shit! I thought it's a. I'm surrounded by people and I'm gone. GG, well played. Worst gameplays ever. -3 trophies. I don't know why this happens every time with Colt. What I'm trying to do is in Robo Lumber, I'm in insane mode, which is so hard to win. So hard to win with this Colt, so I'm not gonna play Robo Lumber. Let's do some duo action, I think. Let's do some duo action, guys. Wow. Four power cubes. See now. 4 power cubes with M's and gold. We have to win it. And this guy, I'm going to bring with me. 5 power cubes, wow. Wait, follow me. Wow. Spinning. Oh, there's a colt with it. Gone that colt. Don't mess with our colts, people. Why are you scared? Gone. Gone. Oh, Jackie. No, Jackie. Jackie gameplays. 1040 damage with that. Well done. Won the match with Colt. Woohoo! I thought it's the token doubling event. I completed all my tiers, guys. Literally, I completed all my tiers, and now I'm waiting for the next Brawl Pass to get unlocked. Today, I'm going to give you some tips of Colt. Colt's attacks line straight towards him, so you think it may be hard. Rico's attacks bounce. Each one has their pros and cons. But personally, I like Colt the most because he's the one of the best crawlers to push. I like Colt because he is the range and his burst damage are so much. So Kaushik is so lucky, people. He got Gale, which is insane. Man, why do you come near 7 power cube person, huh? Why? People think that Colt is a newbie, but the most proest player is me all the time. Set for fun. This, yay, yay, yay! Oh no, no. Why? That's called overactions. I have to not do that. I every day become Kaushik. And this dickhead. No, why? Are they teaming up? No, that be some other one, okay. Why are we in this place? The worst part ever. Uh, no, 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 no. Worst thing to use your super is like this without doing any overactions. Now kill that barley, my tiki. Oh, 13 power cubes and died, and we won the match, guys. We won the match. So the best tip with Colt is to aim your shots. Don't auto aim Colt. No, new map came already. Wow. So don't auto aim with Colt. Aim for his shots and where the person is going in frames. If the person is moving, aim towards him and totally Mardo. Kill him. And I have 123 gems. I'm going to buy Brawl Pass. So one last match, guys. I will show the best thing of Colt now. Next video, I think we are going to do Colt versus Rico and Kaushik. So let's see. Because कोई हमारे वीडियोस देखते नहीं. I don't know what team is this. Gave us these many power cubes. Guys, I have to unlock Nani. I'm going to end Brosters' career. Oh, lol. Well played, Nita. I like Nita's gadget. It's so awesome, people. Oh, oh. Nita. Hey, Nita. Check me out. This. This Gale is going to. Oh my god, I died. Oh no. Oh no. Don't do overactions, Nita. Wow. This Nita is a pro, absolute pro. Sad emoji that happens, Nita. I am the best person to feel your pain when a teammate is a noob. Oh no, why did I die again? Oh, Nita. And die. Oh, wow. Well played, Nita. Well played. I'm back. This Nita died. You kill my teammate, you noob. Do. You. Oh, I died. It's showdown. So that's all for the video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Till then, stay tuned. There is something. 2 mega boxes for 89. Let me see my legendary chance. Legendary any chances of brawlers. Gadget is 2%, legendary 0.010. Okay. I'm going to save that for Brawl Pass. Or should I buy them? Should I buy them? Should I buy these? I don't want. Control. Tanush control.